Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday, hopefully for some of you, but not here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Not this week, maybe next week, because I do have some tilapia in the freezer. Ooh, fish tacos for next week. All right, last night I prepared coconut curry chicken and sweet potato stew. Oh, this is a must try. Excellent, excellent, excellent. I almost went back for a second bowl, but I said no. It's that good. Just excellent. There's some notes in the recipe, not very many, but I'll get it posted up. I'm going to give you a little bit of history. I changed the menu at 2 o'clock this morning. Yes, I was awake, unfortunately. I changed the menu for today. I have an extremely busy morning. Yeah, just nuts. This country started trading and exploration in another country in the 15th century. And they became a colony of the first country in the 18th century. We're speaking of Portugal and Mozambique. The reason why I bring this up is because what I'm preparing today in English is shrimp Mozambique. It's not a Mozambique recipe. It's a Portugal or Portuguese recipe. So that's why I wanted to give you just a little bit of the history. The Portuguese influenced people in Mozambique, and obviously Mozambique influenced the people in Portugal. Apparently, from my reading and research, this dish is very popular in Portugal. So I am preparing again shrimp Mozambique. I actually changed the recipe. The first one called for a couple ingredients, which I thought was kind of strange. So I found this one. This is super simple. Really, really, really simple. But it's going to be full of flavor. Let's get to it. Hardware, brazier. And I'll be serving this with rice. Brazier, crockery. White shrimp. I'm going to pick up some more shrimp this morning. It's one of the things I have to do this morning. From Goldfish Seafood Market. I have some more in the freezer, but I don't have enough. Kosher salt, black pepper, red onion. You should go yellow. That's personal preference. Garlic, a few tablespoons of oil to do the saute. Coconut milk, white wine, cumin, Spanish paprika, cayenne, and some cilantro, or also known as coriander, for a garnish, and I will be using long grain white rice. So here's the goodies for tonight's shrimp Mozambique. Also, it's really funny because one of my favorite cars, and I've owned two of them in my adulthood, is the Camarão. Camarão, and I'm probably not saying it the Spanish way, is Spanish for shrimp. So I own two shrimp. All right, on this Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.